Is your iPhone restarting after the iOS 18 update? You're not alone, many users are facing the same issue. Some even get stuck on the Apple logo. Don't worry, in this video, we'll cover 7 simple solutions to fix it, plus a one-click tool to get your iPhone back to normal. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why does my iPhone keep restarting after the last update? Bugs. iOS 18 may have bugs causing restarts due to conflicts. Interrupted update. An incomplete update can trigger restarts. App issues. Incompatible apps may cause repeated restarts. Low storage. Lack of space may force restarts. Part 2. How to fix iPhone keeps restarting after iOS 18 update. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release the button. Fix 2. Fix iPhone keeps restarting after iOS 18 update in one click. A powerful software solution called iOS System Recovery is designed to fix various iOS system issues, such as the constant restarting problem that some users have experienced after updating to iOS 18. How to fix iPhone keeps restarting after iOS 18 update with iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer. Start it and go for More Tools, iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your affected iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Select Standard Mode and tap Start to begin addressing the restart loop. Step 3. The software will automatically detect your iPhone model and download the appropriate iOS 18 firmware. Click Repair to proceed. Step 4. The downloading process typically takes a few minutes. Once the firmware is downloaded, your iPhone should stop restarting. Fix 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Launch iTunes on a computer after connecting your iPhone to it. Enter recovery mode on your iPhone. Select Restore in iTunes when prompted. After the procedure is finished, set up your iPhone. Fix 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then, set all settings. If prompted, enter your passcode and confirm your choice. Fix 5. Remove SIM card. Take the SIM card out of your iPhone using a SIM extractor tool. Insert the SIM card again after a brief period of time. To check if the problem has been fixed. Restart your iPhone. Fix 6. Update your apps. Launch the iPhone App Store. Press the symbol for your profile in the upper right corner. To make sure every app is up to date. Scroll down to see the list of pending updates and select Update All. Fix 7. Contact Apple support. If none of the above fixes solve the problem, it's time to seek expert help from Apple.